Hello friends, my name is Anurag Annabashinde. Today we will presenting on presentation on polymer in defense. Um, my team members are Rohit Wagh, Vivek Sutar and Aniket Bhavre. Polymer plays important role in a defense industry. Uh, there are unique properties and versatility. There are applications, protective gears, vehicles, explosives, etc. Uh, there are three sectors in defense: first military, second navy, and third air force.
Hello, my name is Vivek Sutar, and now next we see polymer materials used in defense. Here are some materials used in used in defense sector, such as polypropylene, acetal, thermoplastic elastomer, polyvinyl chloride, polyamide, polycarbonate. Because of their lightweight nature, they resist also their nature to resist chemical, withstand in environmental conditions such as cold, heat, and rainy seasons. So polymers are used in defense sector. Then we see military application. First, ballistic helmet. Ultra high molecular weight polyethylene used to make ballistic helmet. Because of their low lightweight, they provide mobility to soldiers. Then vests are made of Kevlar. Kevlar have five times stronger than steel. It has a higher tensile strength. It resists any impact. So Kevlar is used to make ballistic vests. Gloves are made up of polyurethane and nylon. Elastomers are used to make gloves for resist the chemical or other conditions. Then we see shoes. Shoes are made up of polyurethane. Polyurethane has a higher higher abrasion resistance. So polyurethane is used to make shoes. Then goggles. Goggles are made up of polycarbonate. Polycarbonate has high transparency like glass. So it is used to make glasswares. Then we see Kevlar. Kevlar is synthetic fiber. It has higher tensile strength. It resists impact. It provides mobility and enhance mobility to combat situations. Also, it has a lightweight nature. So it is used to make vests. Then we see ballistic helmets. Polymeric ballistic helmets are provide lightweight without compromising safety. So polymers are used to make ballistic helmets. Then properties of polymer used in ballistic helmet. First one, ballistic resistance. Sudden impact such as bullets and sharp nails. It provides resistance against it. Then material strength. It has high tensile strength. Then weight. It has light weight, provide mobility. Then durability. It resists chemical. It resists heat. It resists environmental conditions. It resists ultraviolet rays, etc. Then common properties of polymer used in military. First one, high strength and durability. This property gives better mobility in environmental conditions. Lightweight enhance mobility. Then ballistic resistance. Polymers used in military applications, having resistance to penetration by bullets. Then chemical and environmental resistance, such as resistance to damage by chemicals, resistance to ultraviolet rays, resistance to moisture, resistance to cold, etc. Fire resistance. Some applications like protective gears require polymer that can resist fire.
Hello friends, my name is Aniket Vaure. There is second sector in defense is Navy. There are some Navy applications: skirt of aircraft, life jackets, life boots, and floats. The first one is skirt of aircraft. The skirt of aircraft is a crucial component in craft. There is the ability to trap air in it. This skirt of aircraft is made up of neoprene rubber. It reduces the friction between ground and aircraft. There are some properties which are required: the tensile strength, flexibility, low chemical resistance, and UV resistance. The second application in Navy is life jackets. The life jackets is also called as personal protection device, which is PDF. It is made up of polypropylene. It requires properties like flexibility, comfort, weight and thickness, and UV resistance and flexibility.
Hi friends, my name is Rohit Wagh. Next we see third sector of defense. It's a Air Force application. First, there are some applications. First one, aircraft wings. Aircraft wings, which mainly made of TFFE component. Their properties are high resistance, high corrosion resistance, and low friction. Second one, tail components. Tail components are made of carbon fiber resin plastic. Their properties are resistance to resin tension and thermal expansion. Third one, fighter pilot suits. Fighter pilot suits are mainly made of melamine rubber component. Their properties are resistant to heat and fire, and they are highly durable. Fourth one, firefighter helmet. Next, aircraft wings. Aircraft's wings components are mainly used for aerospace industries for wings. That advantage such as corrosion resistance and ability to molded complex shapes. Next, we see properties of polymer used in aircraft wings. First one, light in design. Polymer are naturally lightweight. Aircraft wings manufacturers aim to reduce weight to enhance fuel efficiency. Next, strength and stiffness. Polymer composite can engineered to have high strength and stiffness. Next one, corrosion resistance. Unlike metals, polymer composites are not prone to corrosion. These are references. Thank you.